गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम सेल्सफोर्स में सीपीक्यू के कुछ इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन देखते हैं, क्योंकि सेल्सफोर्स में सीपीक्यू के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट बहुत सारी होती है। तो क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट आर द प्राइस कंडीशंस when setting up the pricing rules in the Salesforce CPQ? You can establish a price condition that is compare that is the value of the fields to another. You can add as many conditions as necessary and define the curriculum terms that must be made for the rules to take the effect. Once the conditions are met, the pricing rules apply. It is a price actions to a target fields. Next question: how do you create a price conditions? From your the price rules records, go to the price conditions related list and click new price conditions. Choose the type of the records you want to the test. Choose the operators to use to the logical statement that is evaluate the tested records against the filters. In the filters type fields, define the type of the records you are the evaluating the tested records. Again, choose the filter records to the define the records that you are evaluating the tested records. Again, if you are the reversing reversing these condition in the price rules, advanced condition fields enter the number value for the price condition index fields. So you are the price conditions. Next questions: what are the price conditions? Next question: what are the price actions? A price action can be deliver the value from of the summary variable formula users defined value of the others quick line feeds to the target feeds. It is important to the note that is list one action is required for each price rule, and multiple action can be the created to the target different feeds or the or the some feeds. Next question: what is the price rules in configurators evaluations? When Salesforce CPQ applied a price rule to its target, the configurator evaluations event determine when the rules is applied to the ensure sales rep see the price rules and result. You can adjust the assignment event. Next questions: what is the Salesforce CPQ advanced quick and calculators? The advanced quick calculators in Salesforce CPQ automatically calculate it execute the line price the based on the users automated the action. It updated the quick and a quick line find to the reflect change made by users since the last calculations. For the instant, if a quick line the receive 10% additional discount, the calculator uh, recalculate the pricing for the quick line and updated the quick totals to the reflect the change. Next question: when does the quick calculator perform all calculations? The quick calculator perform the calculations whenever there is a change in the quick configuration, such as adding, removing product, changing and quantities, updating pricing rules, and modifying the discounts percentage. Next questions: how do you disable real time the calculations for the CPQ? To disable real time the calculation for the CPQ kick, follow the step. Go to the CPQ app in the Salesforce. Click on the CPQ setting tabs. Click on the configuration CPQ buttons. In the general setting section, the uncheck the real time the calculation options. save the changes. Next question, what is the purpose of the asynchronous calculations? Calculations are conduct outside the quick line, the editor typically time of the after 30 seconds. However, the enabling asynchronous asynchronous calculation can be avoided the timeout. This method does not affect calculation within the quick line the editors, but might prolong the time it is a take to the complete them. Next questions. What are the custom script? Custom script can be added to extra functionality to the quick line the editors. Next question. Why do you use lookup the queries to query data from and items other than quick the products rows utilize lookup queries. These queries the update goods and the congregation in the quick line the editor and the configuration by the connecting data from the lookup object to your the product rules. You can the use to look up the data feeds and the value instead of the rules and action and the conditions. Next questions. Uh, what are the CPQ quick line the groups fields? Salesforce CPQ offers the range in customization option for the CPQ quick line the quick grouping, including the ability to control custom feeds. Because some fields may be restricted due to the page layout and feeds level security issues. Salesforce CPQ empower users track how to quick line the divided into the groups with the next question. Describe the quick template. Quick template pay to critical role in formatting and the organizing your quick document with the ability customize how to specific content records like the line item, signatures, fields, and the terms and condition are the display. You can the create any numbers of the sections in any orders and the receives them across the virus template. Next question, what are the advanced approvals? The advanced approvals the package offer the valuable automations and the customization features for you the approve the process with the ability and automated the ratio resubmitted approval the and regular the sequence in the which approval the receive the request. You can the streamline your the workflow and save valuable time and resource. Next question, what do you mean by the twin fields? When working the CPQ object, the formations of the section object triggers the exchange of the custom fields value from the first object, the second object. Now, twin the fields. This is the fields pairs must have a matching the fields type of the API name and tables to the ensure that is the value for the between them. Next question, what are the two type of the errors conditions? Error condition to divided to into exception information and filters information pertains to the object fields and variable being the tested will filter the information can include the logical operator and value being the tested again. Next questions. Explain the CPQ validation tools. Validation tools play the vital role of the ensuring that is a quick product combination, quick to line the fields value of the meat and predict minds and conditions user the alert without the errors and messages and the prevented from saving the product configuration via the quick until they meet the necessary condition. Next question, why should we us validation rules? Validation rules guarantee that is the user's contracts part of the other quick in the way that is you can be managed by when the users try to this save other quick things that has not been configured in this way. The quick line the editor display and errors message. Set up the message. It takes in the product rules and message box, and users want to be the able to save the product configuration the quick and until the product rules errors condition evaluate to the true. Next question, how do you create a bundles, create a create or the select product to the survey as your the bundles parents. Create the features you need to from your the parents product related list. Remember that the features configure CQ feeds automatically look up to your the bundles parents if you are the created the features in the parents and features related list. Next, create the product option you need to the from your the parents product options related list feeds in your the option the CQ feeds and give the like lookup of the product that you want to the want to survey as an option as the options. If you want to the product option to group under of features populate, that is the option features look up the fits. If you create create your the option of the bundles parents the features look up the search result display all of the parents features and create the options contacts from your the parents product option the contacts the related list in the needed. Next question, describe merge fields. Salesforce CPQ quick term attempted the offline solution for the creating mail merge document that is automatically populated with the quick and with dynamic information. Merge fields can be the utilize the established placeholders in your the template containing the dynamic quick term and which can then the generate and PDF and document using the layout and provide the quick and template. Next question, what is the census sales? Which census sales and comprehensive set of the security tools are the available to the ensure compliance with of the regulations and regarding the sensitive data storage. The platform is features such as a shared platform in in encryptions and event monitoring allow the monitoring of the users provisions of the molecule quiz activity and the protections of the data at rest with the still maintaining the full functionality. Next, what is the event monitoring? Event monitoring provide you with price information about the of the performance, security, and uses of the all your the Salesforce app. Every interaction in the tracker and the assemble view the APIs. So you can the monitoring you who is the assigned with all the business the data in the form of the where the are assigned it is assigned in the data visualization app of your the choice. Any data visualization for the application, the monitoring the solutions such as the Tableau, CRM, Splunk, or new the Relic may easily ingest event and monitoring data. Next question. Describe the QTC. The QT the Q to the cache process the income process contract completions billing manage the service sales and receivable management. It is a similar to the end-to-end function that is associated with the organization sales activity. The key QTC process being with of the configurations of the offer and the con conducts with of the collection corrections of the process from the sales in the question. It track and analyze the whole sale cycles. Next questions. What do product rules entail? Product rules guarantee that the users see the relevant product rules and classified into the categories. validation rules verify that is a commonly grouping of the grid line the fields wherein the questions meet the product predefined and criteria. Selections rules add, delete, cancels, allow the cancel option in the bundle and automatically. Filter rules provide the product that is eligible for the bundles and additions. Alert rules guide of the educate users to set of the pricing about message. Next question: what do the word price list mean? Salesforce, the price list is user recording the item virus pricing the dependent on of their business follow the topically business and conduct the market research in the established price of the each product. All of the different and pricing will be the show and selection the price list. Next questions. What do price the rules image? Price rules automated the process and calculating the price and updating in the variable the quotations line and pricing rules define the price and conditions that are the used to the determine on the appreciate price the during of the quoting process. Price rules infuse of the quick and quick questions and line fields with the static value fields cost of the summarize valuable when the use when a customer modify the number of the printers in the quick and save it is a Salesforce CPQ triggers in the pricing rules and the adjust the number of the maintenance kits. Next question: what are the rules for the product selections? Product selection rules and execute on the operations within the bundles, enabling the configuration of the bundles to be automated. The are composed of the series and of criteria and the series of the action. They should be the user automatically choose the deselect and product choose the inside the package as well as proactive in the disable them. Next question: what are the rules for the product validations? Validation of the product rules and guarantees that that the data selected by the users complies with of the specific requirement. These include of the conditions that is must be the certified and can be used to validate that is a configuration of the certified vendor report variable could be the used to the determine whether or not the conditions have to be certified. These restrictions can be the applied to the applications line or to the product choice content inside of the bundles. Next question: what do price action entail? When the requirement of your the pricing rules are met, the rules would the apply. It is a operation to the specified directly a pricing action retrieve value from the summarize and custom questions is defined the enter or the peak line of the feeds and the right it is to the target feeds at the very least a pricing rule and should have one operation you can have a multiple action that is each target in different feeds you can have a multiple action that is each in different the feeds. Next questions. Briefly describe the variable methods and storing the virus to short of the report in the source. Salesforce report is classified into the following the categories. Tabular reports it is one of the that is formatted on the tabular manners. Matrix report it is a report that is organized in the columns and row and according the categories. A summary report, it is a display details report in the columns format. Joint report is a collection of the more reports. Next question, what are the different way to the pricing product and assembled in the Salesforce CPQ? Salesforce CPQ enables you are the modify product the pricing in the verified of way. Block pricing, a product, the pricing determined it by it is a many time and cost of the maker, the pricing product price determined by the its cost of the market, the percentage pricing, best pricing fixed amount is based on the number limit can be the user price bundles offer. uh, Contract pricing, when a contract is established, the quick line the pricing utilize the determine the cost of the goods from the original the questions. Next question: how are the static and the dynamic dashboards and different? Fixed the dashboards are the standard dashboards. Every users may be access. It might be the to present and organize intentions wide data to the select group of users. Dynamic dashboards offer data that is customized for each users. You may be used to it display static on of the single users such as a number of sales, close of leads and convert. तो थैंक्स सो मच फ्रेंड्स। आज हमने देखा है सीपी के कुछ क्वेश्चंस। अगर मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय।